Hello everyone. We all know that catching cold is not a pleasant thing at all, and suffering really increases when person has running nose, puffed nose, throat infection, headache and feeling feverish. Apart from the regular medication, there are some excellent scientifically proven and natural home remedies which can give you instant relief from all of this. So here are some ways to cure cold and cough. Keep watching, and if this video is helpful for you, like the video and subscribe the channel to get scientific health related fitness and medical videos. Number 1. Combination of black pepper, pan and tulsi. These are all wonderful herbs and available in every household. Sometimes pan may not be available, but other three are mostly available in all Indian houses. Boil these ingredients in water for 10 to 12 minutes and then strain it and drink it. If it is too pungent, you can put jaggery into it and drink it. Take such liquids twice a day at least for 2 days. That could really help you. Number 2. Steam inhalation. Steam inhalation is one of the most widely used home remedies to open the nasal passage and get relief from the symptoms of a cold and sinus infection. Also called as steam therapy, it involves by inhalation of water vapor. The warm, moist air helps in loosening the mucus in the nasal passage, throat and lungs. This may relieve symptoms of inflamed or swollen blood vessels in your nasal passage. While steam inhalation won't cure an infection like a cold or a flu, it may help to make you feel a lot better while your body fights it off. Number 3. Dry ginger. Dry ginger is excellent anti-inflammatory herb. According to various scientific research, every human being should take dry ginger every day. For cold and cough, take dry ginger or smash fresh ginger and take juices 3 times a day. Ginger has a substance called gingerol which helps in preventing further inflammation and to remove the nasal congestion. Number 4. Black pepper. Black pepper has antibacterial properties which help to cure cough and cold. Adding a pinch of fresh ground black pepper to your cup of tea or a teaspoon of honey makes it an excellent remedy for cold and cough. The pepper stimulates circulation and mucus flow which opens the nasal congestion. Number 5. Ginger juice, honey and haldi. This combination is an excellent combination to protect you from cold and cough. Take a spoon of honey, put few drops of fresh ginger juice in that, put haldi and then just mix it and sip it slowly in your throat. Honey has a soothing effect on your throat. Haldi is a strong immunity booster. This combination is also excellent for cold and cough. Number 6. Salt water gargling. Saline liquid really helps at loosening up the mucus, so gargle with salt water. Water should be warm and put some salt and gargle it. You can put even haldi in it and gargle. Gargling really helps to clear the nasal passage as well as throat. So do this 3 to 4 times a day. That will really help in settling up your problems. Number 7. Use of warm water. Water's job is to wash away the unwanted things. Warm water helps in removing toxins from the system and gives soothing effect to your body. Just take mild warm water every hour and you will be able to handle all your cold and cough problems. So all these remedies are excellent remedies. You can use any one of them and find out what suits you. Stay healthy. Take care.